Do you need better hooks in order to get more views and more followers to your TikTok page? Hi, my name is Carson Scruder, and I'm a short form video strategist and coach and manager. And I wanted to share with you today the steps that you can use to find hooks that will get views, and also share with you some hooks that have been working amazing for our community. One hook even helped one of our followers go from 0 to 80,000 followers pretty much overnight. So if you're ready to learn more growth tactics and actual realistic ways that you can grow your following on TikTok with highly targeted qualified leads, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that we can help you on your growth journey. So first of all, let's talk about the different ways that you can find hooks that actually work in your industry. So the very first one is you can just scroll through your FYP, your For You page, and just keep scrolling through the videos and take note of the videos that have large views or large engagement. Now just look at those videos and write down or keep record somewhere of the first 3 to 5 seconds of what they're saying or what the text on screen is of those videos. You can even save the videos to your favorites if you just want to find all of the videos that have done well first and then analyze them later. Now, the next thing that you can do is you can go to your discovery bar inside of TikTok and search for your industry or your target audience. Now, once again, what you're going to do is you're going to find the videos with the highest views or the most engagement and look at the hooks that they are using. Now, once again, you're either going to favorite these videos or you're going to write down the hooks so that you have something to come back to after. The third thing that you can do, if you already have built up a bunch of videos or already have an audience that you've started to create, what you can do is go through each of your videos individually, go to the analytics for each video, and at the 3-second mark, if your video has a 70% watch rate, that means that video is working, and keep recreating that video. Or if you go through your page and you have a video that did really good, figure out, what is the hook? What is the style of video that you used? What are the hashtags that you use? Take note of all of those and try recreating the video. What we like to do with our clients is we like to test out a bunch of different hooks and see which ones are going to stick. Then the ones that are working, we just keep recreating those videos 1 to 2 times a week. And in between those days where we're attracting our audience or we're using those same hooks, we are providing immense value to our audience. So you can do this through teaching. You can do this through the reply by video feature where you reply to the comments via video. You can do the Q&A feature. There's so many fun ways that you can actually provide value to your audience, but that's a video for another day. So now I'm going to share with you 3 hooks that you can go and implement right now that have gotten multiple of our followers and our clients hundreds of thousands of views. So now for the fun part, the hooks that you can actually go and implement right now. So the first hook is, why don't more of, and then you enter your target audience, have these ? The second hook that you can use, trying to convince, and then you enter your target audience to follow me because I am a, and then you enter your job title or your role, who loves helping, and then you enter another term for your target audience. This hook has really helped our community and our clients to start conversations in their industry with people. The third hook that you can use is, if you are, and then you enter a word for your target audience, who loves, and then you enter an interest or a keyword that your target market has. Then you're going to end it with follow me. Below, we've also dropped a free resource for you. It's 97 free hooks that you can implement right now today in order to start attracting new views, new followers, and high quality leads. So if you want to grab that, just make sure to check out our description below. And if you want more access to trainings that will help you to grow and reach the people that you are meant to be in front of, make sure to hit that subscribe button.